so I decided to do a quick review of this violin before I return it. I've always wanted to play violin, so I ordered one from Amazon because I was like, oh, you know, I'm not a professional, I just want to learn how to play. And so yeah, so I got this violin because of that. So this is what the case looks like. So it looks pretty good. And it's a 4/4, so it's a full-size violin. I have nowhere else to record this, so I'm just doing it in this room. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's what the box overall looks like, or what comes in the box kind of thing. And it came with its own strings, but I changed the strings because I'll explain why in a second. So it came with its cable, and it also has headphones, which I actually need to put in there as well. And then it has the shoulder rest, just a standard. And this is the bow. Yeah, I mean, for those of you who actually play violin, you might be able to tell if this is a good bow or no, not a good bow, but yeah, I for one can't tell. It also came with its instruction stuff. Oh no, this is for a different instrument. Okay, so it came with this, just a little instruction manual, and it came with an extra set of strings. So, oh yeah, there are 4 of them. Good. This is the actual violin itself. I actually added my own fret sort of board, if you want to, oh so sorry, fingering board, if you want to call it that. So that's what this colored sheet is about, because yeah, like obviously if you don't know how to play violin, you know exactly why this might be a good idea. But yeah, this is what the violin looks like itself. It really looks so cool, and I feel like it's more of an ornamental violin now that I have a semi better understanding of sound. So I took it to a music shop, asked to get it restrung because I had to restring it. Like the day I got it, you know, it was out of tune. Every single day I would wake up and try and play it, it would be out of tune. And so then I bought new strings because I thought, okay, maybe that's it, because I think I split one of the strings. Anyway, so I went to a music shop where this really cool girl helped me out, and she Rowena is her name, at Steve's Music in Toronto, and she basically said this is kind of like not that great. Partly, like what I noticed is that like the pegs, they just come out, like right now they're not even tight. So it means every single time you play, you have to actually tune the violin, and it's like, you know, that's for someone who doesn't even know how to play. So I don't even know how it's supposed to sound. The expectation that I should know how to tune it every single time I play it, or if it's out of tune every single time, it's just so much work, right? Anyway, the apps and stuff like that you could use for tuning and stuff, but it's just, yeah, I don't have the ability to do that, which is really too bad, because it's really cool. Like, it's a cool instrument. But yeah, the sound sounds really bad. I mean, I haven't used it in so long. Just need to tighten the, it also came with its own rosin, but I have no idea where I put that. Yeah, I can't. I have to actually, the strings are so, look, and the bridge just dropped again. All this to say, I honestly don't think you should waste your money on this thing, but I hear some people who are professional violinists, they use it as a practice instrument. So it's not so much for the sound, but just more like for fingering and, you know, I don't know, learning a song or something like that. But I guess in my case I was like, it's not worth it for me. But I will show you guys my new violin, or it's not new, but the violin that I have now in another video. But just wanted to show you guys, if you use this violin successfully, I would love to see your videos so that I can change my mind on this. But yeah, I will end this right now because my battery is about to die.